Hey everyone, today we are doing a blush declutter. I've decluttered some blushes lately, so I thought that I would show you guys what blushes I'm decluttering. I'm just giving these all to my mom anyways, so let's quickly go through them. The first thing you're gonna see is the Luna Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. There's nothing wrong with any of these blushes really. I just don't have room in my collection and I have other shades that I prefer. So this is just a really pretty like peachy toned, but it also has pinks and then it has some darker shades as well. It's just more of a peachy type of palette. The packaging's beautiful though. We then have this Sailor Moon blush, which looks like this. It has a bit too much glitter for my mom, but it's very, very pretty regardless. We have this Essence Duo blush, which is just a really pretty, like, summery, fun sort of color. We have a ColourPop Land blush, which this is the shade Gummy More, which was the ColourPop and Candyland collection blush. I think my mom will love this. It's such a natural sort of blush with a hint of pink, and I think she will adore that. There's also this Terracotta blush by Merit. I've only tried this once. It's not really for me, but it is very pretty. It's so warm today. I'm literally sweating with my fan off. I have some Revolution blush and lip tints. They're like cream products. I just do not see myself getting any use out of these whatsoever. They are just not it for me, unfortunately, but I do think maybe my mom will get some use out of them. And then this is the other shade, which is, they're very beautiful shades. They're just not much for me. Next we have the High School Musical blushes, which are absolutely stunning. I kept the more red one, but this is the like pinky shade. And then we have this really pretty like nude shade, which is absolutely stunning. I'm mostly decluttering these because like I only have room for like one blush drawer and my blush drawer is full and I want to be able to actually utilize them more. So plus I don't need all these shades. I went through and made sure that I didn't have any duplicates and all that fun stuff, but this is just another ColourPop blush. It's more of a like it's more of like a primrose type of color. It's very pretty. I think my mom will love that shade. And then we have Shortcake, which is more of a like more intense mid-tone blush, I would say. It's really, really pretty though. I do really like this shade. I just don't really find a lot of use for it, which is just fine. Sugar Bomb by Benefit. I already have one of these, hence why I'm giving my mom one. It's just such a beautiful color. You can obviously dip in with a smaller brush to get individual shades, but getting them all together, you have this like pinky peachy sort of vibe, and I think it's just a stunning shade that anyone can use. We have this ColourPop blush that just looks like this. It's just a really, really pretty like brownie type of blush. I really love shades like this for mixing in with like bronzer and contour personally, but I'm the type of person that likes a like really drawn out blush personally. And then we have this is a blush that I don't really have in my collection, but it's not oh, you can see my face, that's weird. But it's not exactly a shade that I will get use out of because I am so fair, but it's just like a really light peachy wash of color. It has a sheen to it. It's just very, very, very pretty. I have this cream blush on the go. I love these and I'm thinking my mom would love this pinky shade. I'm not even gonna open it. It's just a really pretty pink blush that's really easy to apply, one and done, and you're ready to go, which is something that I love about cream products. I'm really new to cream blushes and stuff, but I do think that they are very, very beautiful. It's just that I'm not good with the formulas, but that is what this Shayna B blush looks like. It looks absolutely stunning. I got it in my BoxyCharm and I think my mom will love that shade so much. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a pretty shade. I think she'll adore it. We got the last few products here. We have this ColourPop blush in the shade Wayfarer, and it's just another one of those like really light peachy nude type blushes. It's pretty and it's got that shine to it, but it's just not something I need in my collection. And again, it's more on the lighter side. Oh, we have this Baked blush by Wet n Wild. I love their baked blushes. This is more so like of a highlighting blush sort of deal, as you can see. It's very, very pretty. It's just not something that I personally get a ton of use out of. Lastly, we have this blush kit by ABH, which just has these really, really, really pretty dark shades, and I just think they are stunning, but they are not for me. And because they're very dark, and they don't work on my skin that well, so that is why I'm decluttering this one. But I do really, really like this like terracotta-y color, and I think this palette would look beautiful on darker skin tone. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.